Picture this. You just got your first real paycheck, and you have absolutely no idea what to do with it. Everyone tells you something different. Save it, invest it, spend carefully, but nobody tells you exactly how or where. So you do nothing. The money sits there. And every month you wonder if you are already falling behind. You eventually put it in a savings account. That felt responsible. But here is what that account is actually doing. Most people wait 10 years before they figure this out. That is the most expensive decade of your entire life. The average savings account pays less than 1% per year, less than 1% on your money. Inflation is around 3% yearly. Most savings accounts pay under 1%. Your money is falling behind. Your savings may feel safe, but every year it
No,
quietly
no, no! My
loses
savings are
buying power over
disappearing!
time. My name is Ray, and I
Ready to
spend
make
way
some
too
real
much
moves?
time thinking
Welcome
about
to
what
Money
money is really
University.
doing. If this is the first time someone explained this clearly,
finally hit our
subscribe
goal!
now, because most
Don't
people
forget to hit
never
that
learn this
subscribe button
stuff.
right now.
There are two jobs for money.
Savings are
Safety
your
money
safety money.
protects you. Growth money builds your
Investing is your
future.
growth money.
Safety money stays still when life goes wrong. Growth money
I need to
works while
balance
you
this
sleep.
out. Safety
You
matters
need
too.
both. Person A saves everything. Person B saves and invests too. Same income, completely different outcome 30 years later. Think about what investing really is. You are planting something today and giving it time to grow. Right now, your money is sitting in a sealed jar, safe, but not growing, just sitting there. The moment you invest, the seed finally goes into the ground. Now the real growth can begin. 30 years later, the tree is fully grown. You did not watch it every day, it just kept growing. Now let us run the numbers. $50 per month, 30 years, one person saves, one person invests. Person A saves $50 per month for 30 years. At age 52, they end up with $18,000. Person B invests that same $50 every month, same amount, same 30 years. The fund tracks hundreds of major companies through the S&P 500. Historically, it averages around 10% yearly growth. At age 52, person A has $18,000, person B has $113,000.
Wait,
that is a
that's
$95,000
$95,000?
difference
I
from
can
the
actually do
exact
this.
same $50 every single month. One decision at age 22 ended up being worth $95,000. But what about crashes? What if the market drops hard right after you finally start investing your money for the first time? That fear keeps most people completely stuck. What if I lose everything and never financially recover from the mistake? But
What if
doing
I lose
nothing is not
everything?
actually safe either. Inflation is already quietly taking money away
Inflation
from
is
you
at
every
3%,
single year.
while savings are less than
2008
1.
looked
Your money is
terrifying at the
losing- your
time.
money is losing
2020 did too. Both recovered and climbed even higher afterward. Here is the 3-step framework that changes everything.
Step
You can
1 is
start
all
this
about
today.
building your emergency
Step
fund.
1. Build
This
your
is your
emergency
financial
fund
safety.
first. This becomes your safety net.
3 months of
Job
expenses.
loss, medical bills, car repairs, your investments
That is a
stay
lot more than I
completely
thought.
untouched during emergencies. Do not leave it in checking, earning nothing. High-yield savings accounts can pay around 4 to 5% instead. Regular savings barely pays anything. High-yield savings can pay 4 to 5 times more on your money. Marcus, Ally, and SoFi are trusted options. FDIC insured, free to open, takes about 10 minutes total. Step 1 complete. Emergency fund built inside a
Yes!
high-yield savings
I
account.
did it!
You are already ahead
Step
of most
2
people.
is all about opening
Step
up
2.
your account. It is
Open your
quick,
investment
easy,
account,
and secures
specifically
your financial
a
future.
Roth
Let
IRA.
us get started on this
Here is
journey
why
together.
that matters so much. In a regular investment account, taxes take part of your gains. Inside a Roth IRA, qualified growth stays tax-free. The 2026 Roth IRA income limit for single filers is $155,000 per year. Fidelity, Vanguard, and Charles Schwab make this extremely easy. Trusted platforms, free accounts, beginner friendly, free to open, no minimum balance required. Takes about 10 minutes to set everything up. This is the mistake almost everyone makes. They open the account, but never actually invest the money inside it. If the money just sits there as cash, it basically does nothing. Nothing actually grows. Step 3. Automate everything. Remove the decision from your hands completely so consistency takes over. Set up an automatic transfer of $50 every month. Same amount, same day, every single month. Your $50 automatically buys into the same investment fund every single month without extra decisions. An index fund owns hundreds of companies at once. Your money spreads
This is
across
your
all
share.
of them automatically.
Your investment is spread
If one
across
company
hundreds of
crashes
companies.
or fails
This
completely, the
diversification
hundreds of
helps
others
reduce your
help
risk.
balance things out automatically. Transfer set, fund bought, do not touch it. Those are the only 3 things you really need. The math never changed, only the amount invested changed. Bigger contributions simply create bigger long-term growth. You are 22 years old, 0 saved, 0 invested. That is exactly where most people begin financially. Roth IRA opened, $50 automated monthly. Done. That is the entire setup checklist right there. $113,000 at age 52. From $50 a month starting at age 22. Quick recap, emergency fund in a high yield savings account. Step 1, complete. Safety money handled first. Emergency fund done. Roth IRA opened. $50 automated monthly. You are already ahead of most people. Every dollar you invest today is a seed. You do not have to watch it constantly. It just keeps growing over time. If you want the next steps in this series, subscribe. And yes, there is something hidden inside this video. I am curious about something. Have you ever tried investing before, or have you been too nervous to start? What's stopping you?